What's going on, vlog? Welcome back to another day here in the Dominican Republic. Look like some type of pool lady is cleaning the pool a little bit. We pretty much just plan to relax today and pretty much enjoy more of the beach. Try to do some water activities, and you know, we gonna see. I got my GoPro floating stick, so I might have the GoPro later on today instead of the Canon R6. Can't afford to mess this camera up at all. But that's right, vlog. We just, hey, enjoy your life, man. Live life to the fullest. And live the adventure. You gotta do more. Always. Let's go see what these jokers doing, vlog. Too early in the morning for this, man.
Man, you see me? But yeah, new morning, new place, feeling great, you know what I mean? Ready to go explore Boca, Chica, you feel me? But first, the bathroom calls. Get up, get piece of the Versace. Look, don't get in the tour.
Come on, bro. Ah. Fuck. Bro, you all my face to the camera, man. What's going on, world? See, I showed them the world, not me, man. Look at the world. Look at the world. Show y'all around, guys. Wow. Whoa. It just melted my heart, man. Instead of freeze it, it melted because it's nice outside. Show the pool vibes. Yeah. Somebody in the pool? Well, they're cleaning the pool this morning. Nice. You see? The other place, man, look like the pool, man, dirty for like 6 months. Here they're cleaning like every day. The water one. Oh man, that feels nice.
So I'm here recording, well, not recording, editing some vlogs. We about to go hit the beach, and it was raining earlier, so I'm probably not gonna use the GoPro. I mean, I'm not gonna use the Canon R6. I'm gonna use the GoPro today. You know, we're probably gonna get in the water or what. I don't know, man. We gonna see what's up. You know what I mean? There with Govi, I know what Govi now. Is it, man?
Big up vlog, you know what I mean? Make sure y'all go subscribe, you know what I mean? Follow and share, you know what I mean?
Mad move. Chef and then I bathroom and take a dump. Alright guys, so we out here on the beach, man. GoPro.
You know what I mean? GoPro, go live.
Bro, the sun is extremely hot.
Bro.
Jet ski? No. Jet ski?
No gracias, no gracias.
boat right? Oh.
Out here on the beach, man. See what's going on with this water. See how it feels. Oh, that water feel cool on your feet, bro. This water the perfect temperature, man. Perfect freaking temperature. Oh shit. I got some little fishes right here. I want to see if I can capture them with the GoPro. Watch this.
Yeah, go on, no gracias, no gracias. Ah. One time I reach back to America, I don't know no English. You're there for no comprehend. You see me? I'm big man.
Rock of the cross, man, on the subject. Got another be no one rock six. Fuck the money out, but she no drunk yet.
What's going on, guys? So we stopped to get some food. Like I said, I don't know how the quality gonna be in Vibez on the GoPro right now. All this stuff going on, but you can see we under the shade, man.
About to play some music. Not really loud. But
Waiting on some food. The prices here is definitely nice for this
price
place.
is right.
Yeah, that time.
The price is right.
I got that was talk to me in Spanish. I know you're not American.
Which guy is that?
When you say that? Yeah, but the most man text me. Is it? Talk to me in Spanish. I know you're not American. Go up there with him. What's going on, guys? The record found. Duffina. Woo! We was waiting for food and it was raining, so we said F it. We got Michael Jackson in the background dancing, man. Don't get no better than this off the beach, yo. Yo, go mash him on the man, make the man them know. Siobhan, go mash him up, man. Mash him up, man. Go on over there then, no? Let's see if you're bad.
So, guys, we just ate. Waiting on them to bring the check. These two are always arguing. You know, they love being around each other, but they just argue a lot. You know? Yeah, you know? They like brothers, but can't live together. Nacho! Nacho! Hombre! And Nacho!
What's going on, guys? We just got back to the room, man. About 5 minutes ago. About to go hop in the pool.
Just went to the ocean.
You know what I mean?
Watch some Jamaican words, crosses, trouble, bad mind, you know, evil. Yeah. Off of us.
About to go hop in the pool, see what's up, man. When I'm ready. Yes, waterproof. Man, I feel like I'm at the gym.